Have you ever wondered what the future of design looks like? Well, today we're talking about AI creating avatars in Figma, a game changer that's pushing the boundaries of creativity. If you're a designer, an artist, or just someone fascinated by the intersection of the technology and art, you're in for a right treat. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give a video a thumbs up. We have our hero block right here with beautiful AI generated avatar. And let me show you guys how I created this in just a few minutes. So we have our plugin right here, which is UI Faces free AI avatar, and let's run the plugin. As you can see, the plugin has multiple options right here with different avatars that you can use, and the most popular one as well. You see, they look very beautiful and it's completely free. So let's select this avatar block, and we wanted to replace it with, let's say, some abstract avatar. So let's pick this one right here. So we have to do is just click and it will be replaced. I like this robot avatars. They look very beautiful. Let's put one of them here. You see, so instantly, if you just need a placeholder image for this, for your hero block, and you want it to look cool, but you don't want to spend too much time just to generate it, just go ahead and run this plugin and add your avatars in here, and you're gonna have beautiful looking picture in just a few seconds. Now let's create a hero block example, and I will show you how we can actually use it. Okay, first let's delete this avatar for now. Let's add the dark color to this menu items. What I wanted to do, I want to split this into two sections. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna decrease the width of this search field. I'm gonna group this together, and I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna click split between. All right, I'm gonna show you later why. Let's move this section out of the frame for now, and what we want to do, let's add the rectangle in here. Rectangle, let's make sure that it covers half of the section. Let's check where the half is. So that if you wanted to do, what you can do is you can measure it, or what you can do is you can drag it right and left until it snaps. Okay, so once it's snapped on the actual center, you're gonna feel it. All right, then let's make this a dark color because I want it to be dark, and I will show you later why. Then this field, let's remove the opacity bit, because we don't want it to be too visible. We want it to blend in, all right, because it's gonna stand out too much. Let's move the padding from the left a bit as well, because we want it to be nice. And then the padding here as well, let's position it to the right, because we got this icon. There we go, great. Now I'm gonna do it quickly because I don't want to spend too much time on that. I just want to show you how you can actually do it. All right, so let's add the copy in here. Let's make the copy lighter color. What I wanted to do, I don't want it to make it the copy to full white. I want it to be a bit darker, so it has this nice color. But at the same time, it's very important, guys, that when you do that, check the contrast and accessibility tests, okay, so you don't fail. Then let's run our plugin. What we wanted to do as well is we wanted just to duplicate this rectangle and position it right here on the left. Then let's pick an avatar. Let's select our rectangle or our frame right here. All right, and which one should we go for? Should we go for aliens? Yeah, let's go for this image because this looks very nice. All right, okay, beautiful. Then let's make this menu items, let's make them white. We can make the logo white as well. We can make them dark, but then we have to add some gradient right here just in order for the menu items to be visible. Or we can also do, you can add the search on this side. This is already UX, right? Just wanna show you how we can actually use this plugin. All right, then so it looks much nicer. Let's add the corner radius a bit. Let's increase the color, so let's make it dark. Let's go up until we're happy. All right, that looks good. Let's do the same. The way I like to do is I sample the color and I start gradually going up until I feel that the color is nice. All right, ideally I suggest that these two colors, these two text colors should be the same because they're on the dark backgrounds. So this is what I suggest, but you guys can pick your own style and your own colors if you want. All right, so let's make sure that this text is positioned correctly in the center. Let's add a bit of, now let's keep it like that because it's nice. Let's make sure that it feels container and it's on the center. Now these buttons right here, you see they stand out too much. This is exactly what we need. What we want to do is just add them the different color because they have to be on the same color palette. All right, that looks beautiful. I'm happy with them, with the result. What we can also do is just add some gradient in here. Let's make sure the second color is full, and the top we're gonna leave it the same, but the top one we're just gonna add a little bit lighter. All right, just a bit, not too much. All right, yeah, okay, that looks beautiful. All right, the final touch is let's add the nice color on the actual page. Now let's add the color to our Figma background. Here how you create a hero block section in Figma using free AI avatars.